Sandeep Dikshit, who's speaking about BJP President Nitin Gadkari and the allegations against him.
Made to be established that certain companies may have invested in his firms which are either existing or not existing. Some of them may have connections with companies that Mr. Gadkari, as PWD minister, gave some work to. Some of these linkages have been tried to establish. Now, issue is that should you make this into a wild political issue without ascertaining anything and drive and draw person's personal life into politics? I think that's something that Congress has always maintained is not healthy politics. However, on the other hand, all these data and information is now in public domain. Facts have been shown, linkages have been drawn, and we have fairly strong institutions. Income tax is there, enforcement director is there, SEBI is there. I'm not particularly sure of all the agencies, but all of them exist in the ministries of finance and others. And I think it's time that they take cognizance of these facts. And if there is any truth in the kind of allegations that are being made, I think they should independently investigate. There are already forums available. These forums, must take cognizance of what is there in the public domain and take action. As far as Congress is concerned, if there is any issue of misdemeanor on his part when he was in executive authority or as PWD minister, if and when the facts come, there is nobody the Congress will not focus on who has misused public office. But on the other hand, we also respect people's privacy and the fact that everybody has a space to do what he or she likes in their private lives.
Do you demand for resignation till the probe is on?
So resignation, he's a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party, he's a president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. What kind of a president with what kind of a reputation, what kind of a business issues should head their party is purely the decision of the Bharatiya Janata Party. It's their internal issue, and I think we leave it to them to decide what they would like to do.
Arun Jaitley has commented, so he said the momentum is in favor of BJP and will make the government in Himachal and then after in the center.
Well, if he is a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party, I would be surprised if he would say anything otherwise. From what I'm hearing, I think it's a good battle we're fighting. There was a great response to Sonia Ji's address in Himachal yesterday, and I'm more than confident that this time the government is going to change and Congress is going to come back to power in Himachal Pradesh. Both on the performance the government did 5 years ago and the fact that in the last 5 years the Bharatiya Janata Party has not been able to perform in Himachal at all, and there are various other issues. So I think Jaitley may be, trying to say that more to energize his kind of demoralized workers in